sending warm virtual hugs to each and every one of you. I am Sia Kamath and I hope you have a great time on this channel. So now that you're here, I'd really appreciate if you all took out the time and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a new video, you get notified. So for today's video, I'm going to do this get ready with me to go nowhere tag. I saw this all over the internet, so I thought I'll do my version of it. So basically what I'm going to do is, because I'm not a professional makeup artist and I don't know what to do, how to do it, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you all how I do it usually, and along with that I'm going to answer some this or that questions. So actually I put up a poll on Instagram asking my followers. Basically what they would do is they would make me choose between two options, and they sent in their entries. So while I do my makeup, which I don't know what I'm going to do, I'm going to answer those questions as well. So let's get started. So first things first, I've seen a lot of YouTube videos. So the first thing that they do is apply a moisturizer. So I am going to do the same. I am going to apply a moisturizer, lots of it. I'm just like moisturize my face really well, and also I shall apply my lip balm, and I'm not going to name all these products and all, so yeah. So I'll let this moisturizer sit on my face for some time, and meanwhile we can answer some juicy questions. They're not juicy actually, just like answer some random. Why does the light flicker always when I say to start shoot a YouTube video? Like, why? Is God giving me hints that you all won't like this video? I'm not taking any hints. I'm anyways going to continue. Okay, so the first question was asked by my friend, of course. So she asked me to choose between banana chips or her, and bro, obviously I'm going to choose banana chips, because Manvi, come on, if you make me choose between banana chips and anything in this whole wide world, I'll choose banana chips. So sorry Manvi, I'm choosing banana chips. Okay, now the next question that someone asked me was that would I rather visit the future or go back in time? This is a very interesting question. So I think I would see, I've seen whatever's happened in the time, okay, unless I could go and I could like go back to the Mughal era, because I love history and I would really want to know what went into building those monuments and what were brains of the what was going on in the brains of those emperors at that time. If I could meet Akbar or something like that, then I'd really want to go. I'd really want to go visit the Harappan civilization, Mohenjo-daro. But other than that, I think, yeah, so basically that answers my question. I'd like to go back in time, but like really back in time, not just like my life, but like really back in time. Yeah, so I think the moisturizer has seeped into my skin. So the second step is that
I will apply powder. I don't apply, what is that, foundation and all of that jazz. Like I just feel like it's too many layers on my skin. So I apply moisturizer and directly apply Maybelline ka compact powder, and I think that works for me. Like, because my skin is very weird. Sometimes it's oily, sometimes it's dry. So I think that's combination skin. So I have combination skin. So I will just apply a lot of powder because now it feels.
Okay, so meanwhile I'll answer another question, which was, would I rather get free clothes or unlimited free food? That's very difficult because I love eating food apart from pizzas and Maggies. And if you haven't watched that video where I disclose random weird facts about me, because at this point I think there are only 2 videos on my channel, so you should definitely go and watch that video. Okay, so coming back to the question, get free clothes or unlimited free food? I think I would get unlimited free food, junk food, because I love junk food. I love Chinese. Although I don't eat a lot, because I don't know, I just don't eat a lot, but I love it. So whenever I get the chance to eat it, I'll not miss it. So definitely unlimited free food. Okay, another question is that would I rather lose my phone or lose my wallet? See, I wouldn't mind losing my wallet because
usually I'm broke. I don't carry money. It's always my friend Dishon who pays for me and then I pay him later because I don't carry anything with me. So if that day my dress doesn't have a pocket, I won't carry money. I know it's very wrong. I should at least have like 10 bucks on me, but so yeah, I'd rather lose my wallet because I will never carry a wallet. I won't have anything in my wallet, so I lose my wallet. Then it's not like there's something in my phone, but just like my parents won't buy me another phone if I lose this phone because I've already broken 2 phones in the past. So yeah, that's that. I will lose my wallet.
okay, after I put powder, what I do for my eyebrows is I've never gotten them done. So they are pretty weird. So I just fill them up with black eyeshadow. Looks very scary. But I am gonna try and put black eyeshadow, and there's no mirror. This is the only mirror I could get. So I am gonna put some black eyeshadow.
Just to fill it up. And this requires a lot of concentration, so I won't be answering any question. I just randomly fill it in because otherwise I'll look like Cruise Singh. I think I still look like Cruise Singh right now, but anywho, just trying and trying because try and try and you will succeed, my friends. Just
That's the only thing I do. Just put black eyeshadow. Yes, that's that. That's that. Okay, so the next question is, okay, another friend of mine asked me whether I would choose patho
or pharmac. So yeah, that's because those are our second year subjects: pathology, pharmac, and microbiology and FMT. So I think I would
choose. See, pharmacology is really difficult to study because I can't remember the doses, and like every time I try to remember one dose, I forget the other dose. But the only thing I remember right now is that prazosin and amlodipine have the same dosage. Okay, both are I think 2.5 to 5 mg OD. Yes, I remember. So it's very difficult, but I still like pharmac more than I like patho. I think I like pharmac more than I like patho. People are going to hate me for this, but yeah, I've turned this into a medical video. But no guys, that was just a question. Why would you ask me these questions? Why would you ask me medical questions? But yeah, I chose pharmacology over patho. Not, I don't hate patho.
I love patho. I mean, I like patho, but pharmac because I don't know pharmac. Okay?
I did my eyebrows and now I think I'll put on eyeshadow, which I'm very scared to do. So my friends very kindly gifted me some makeup products on my birthday, like this palette from Nykaa, because I used to just irritate them watching all these YouTube videos. So they thought like it's time to give her some items and let's shut her up so that she won't talk. So yeah, they gave me this palette. So I'm going to use some stuff from this because they think that I don't use it only. They thought they gifted it to me and I've just like stored it nicely as a showpiece in my wardrobe. No guys, I use it. I'm using it right now. Okay. So the first shade. I don't know the name then now. So I'm going to use this brown color. Just gonna take brown color. Although my eyes are already looking pretty brown, I don't know, but I'm just gonna put it all over my lids. I like nude shades so that you can't make out what I'm doing. Like, you know, like brown shades. I love brown shades. Can you see the difference? Both my eyes look brown, but like this one looks more brown. Okay, we'll take another question. So one question is beach or mountains? Okay, so I think I choose the mountains. I'll tell you why. Because I've lived in Goa all my life. So I've been around beaches like all the time. So now I've reached a point where I don't like beaches anymore. And especially what's happening with the beaches in Goa, I'm just done. Like people just dirty the beach and I really don't like that. So I think too much of anything is not good, and too much of beaches has made me shift from beaches to mountains. So I think I like mountains more. Although I have a phobia of heights, so I don't know how that goes with each other. But
I think I like mountains more than beaches. Yeah, mountains for the win. Okay. Then another question which
asked me to choose between breakfast or dinner. Guys, I can't choose. Okay, I can't choose because I love food. I love every chance that I can eat something, I will eat. If I've had like my lunch at 6 o'clock in the evening and then you give me dinner at like 8 o'clock, I will still eat dinner, right? Yeah. So I can't choose because I like both of them equally, so I can't choose, you guys. So I'm gonna say food in general, like food wins. I'm gonna eat food no matter what. So the next question is, would I rather go on a road trip or fly? I think road trip, because I love the whole idea of sitting in the car, packing, and like going on a road trip. It just has these cool perks about it. So I think a road trip over flying, because you just reach your destination so much easier by flying. I know that's a really good advantage for people because they can reach other places very easily, but I think I would prefer road trips. Yeah, I'd prefer road trips. Okay, so now I put brown eyeshadow and it looks very brown to me. I'm going to put like shimmer on it, try to be all experimental and put shimmer on it. So again, they gave me this highlighter palette. Guys, just thanks. You all made my life easier, okay? So this, now I'm really confused whether I should put like the shimmer shades from this or this.
So I'm going to put this shade, okay, the third one, okay, but I'm going to use my fingers, okay, because
I don't want to take chances. Can you see? Focus. Okay, this. Okay? Yes.
So I'm going to use that shade and I'm going to apply it
all over my lids. Can you see that? Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god. Yes. Okay, another question was that would I rather have a plan or go with the flow? Interesting question, very deep, but I think I'd rather go with the flow because whatever plans I've ever made in my life have never worked out, and then I've eventually come to terms with the fact that I just need to go with the flow. All things will never just happen the way you want them to happen because God has bigger plans for you. So I think you should go with the flow, and that's best. But obviously, like, just don't go with the flow as in just like not think about your future or do anything, just like sit at home, just go with the flow. Don't do that. You should try your fair share of working, try, like, push yourself, but after a point I think you should just leave it on a higher power, thinking that someone will it will happen, it will eventually all come and fall into place. I don't know why this has become some deep thingy. Okay, the next question is that whether I would lose all my important documents or lose every pic you've ever taken. I can't lose my documents because then like I lose my identity, and again I can't lose all the pictures I've taken. That'll be so sad, like I'll not have memories. But I think I lose all my pictures because you need documents. I'm trying to be practical here. So I think I lose all my documents. Lose all my pictures. Yeah, I lose all my pictures. So can you guys see, like, I tried putting shimmer on my eyes and it looks pretty nice. Okay, I'm going to take that same eyeshadow brush, and I saw them doing this also. They take that same brush and put it on their lower lash line, and then you look smokier. I have no idea at this point what I'm doing. I'm so engrossed in answering the questions. Yeah, so I did that, okay? Okay, so the next question is never be able to speak again or never be able to stop talking. Guys, come on. I just talk a lot, and I think I already have this thing where I'm just like talking all day, all night. So the only time I don't talk is while I'm sleeping. So I think I'll choose never be able to stop talking again, because I can't live without talking. I just need to talk all the time. So no, I am going to continue talking my whole life. You know what? Now I'm going to okay. Then another question is that would I rather get a paper cut between my fingers or bite my tongue? I think I can go with the fact that I can get a paper cut between my fingers, because that's fine. But like biting your tongue, then it just hurts you every time you eat, and I love eating food. So no, I would rather have a paper cut in between my fingers. The next question that was asked was, would I rather lose my sense of smell or lose my sense of taste? I would rather lose my sense of
No!
taste. Because
No!
I'll let you know why. I have this habit of smelling everything, okay? I need like, it's a very important.
A crucial thing for me that people smell nice, because like I just get irritated when like there's like bad odor or something like that. So the first step of eating food is like smelling the food, right? So if even if it looks tasty and I can't taste it, it's fine, but I need to like get the aroma of the food item. You know what I mean? So yeah, I would rather be able
To smell the food item rather than tasting it, if that makes sense. Okay, the next question is, would I rather own a private island or own a private jet? Private island, okay? I would rather own a private island, have my small little tree house there. You know all that Kahona Pyar Hai thingy references. You guys go watch Kahona Pyar Hai if you haven't. But I'd rather choose my own, have my own island, okay? So the next thing is I'm putting some mascara.
and I'm going to try and put some mascara. Which means because I always get mascara on like my cheeks, so. And I'm trying not to make weird faces while putting mascara, but I always end up bringing it over there in front of the camera, so I really don't know what's happening. So yes, that's what's happening right now. So yeah, I'm going to put mascara on my other eye as well, which means I'm going to say make weird faces because that's just a thing. Yes.
And I've got mascara over here, but like I'm really not bothered about it right now because I've been trying my best and that's the maximum I can do. So yeah, mascara is done. I think they look really pretty, my eyes. Okay, so now see, I don't own blush and all of that, so I'm directly going to jump to lipstick. And before that, I'm going to take another question, is that would I rather wear the same clothes for a week or not shower for a week? Guys, I can't live without showering. I have to shower. I love to have a bath. So I'd rather wear the same clothes, but I'll have to shower, okay? So I'm going to apply lipstick now. New shades as always. So yeah, that's what I'm
Doing right now. I have. Yes. That I love this lipstick. It looks really pretty.
And last moment, I just highlight my nose because I like my nose a lot. So yeah, the little touch of shimmer and on my eyebrow.
Bones. And I think
That's done, guys. I'm done with this look of get ready with me, and I'll just take another final question, was whether I'd choose between chocolate or candy. Obviously I'll choose chocolate, you guys. Chocolate for the win, okay? Chocolate. So that's the end. This is the final look that I've created. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And let me know in the comment section below what you would choose, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye. Sending warm virtual hugs to each and everyone.